Vice President Nyanchwa, one of the things he said, our plan is not about the next election, it's about the next generation. Now we have the legal framework, we are going to move with speed so that we form these funds and enterprises that are required and start implementing the programs next year.
For 3 years, I've been president. Show me one program here. What? Show me. For 3 years. You see, what I'm saying is, there are things which is Rakali Okara. Kare. Ekare Rakali Ajit to a water into Mora and NHF Kenya Italy. Of course, Naja what the challenges Chia by Bimbanya coverage system we give in the Vietnam Italy, Akuiva Mariovo, Ivaka payments you work on NHF. But at least any NHF when you walk around in a walker. One of them, how many times have you seen the SHA or when your room in Italy, Tayo, Ekagende coverage stadio Cora, Erek in Yorima, Ricola Washo, Akenia 80 million, 24 million. 93 million again to get your P Mundako and Ime, no Yaniki Benja was the and then people have acted as if they're taking a Colacana. Oh, Pandualimuta, Tisha, Cole, Muatinda, Muamu, Mutagati. They are stealing the money. They're just taking away the money. That's why Shai Taigokara. I sit in the health committee. We have moved around the Kenya. There is no single place. It's only one place to achieve. It's our world. No, I got up so far. Chivas and Faggy take a toe, no negative toe, claim Konyora. Chinya guitar, chose sharing it. Look at what is happening. I don't think the Wakanyora Valish was Chow, Nyanchwa's dear. I don't think Konyora Valish was Chow. Pamini the Kuimuka Vandava, Pajava then I want to shake a Nyanchwa. Why? Because they have their own hospitals. What I just say is Wagasoka. And we tell them to leave those things. You tell the government the problem we have got in corruption, corruption in a year. So even when the president comes to Kisi about our web in Tumbiro, miraculous,